If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie. How you riding on a nigga? Hey, okay, running up them bands, tryna bow till I fall. Running from his bitch, he gon' come when I call. If it ain't my money, then you know I ain't involved. Worry about these motherfucking haters, not at all. 9 times out of 10, I'm the realest bitch you know. If you ain't wanna fit, then what you fucking with me for? If you ballin' and you know it, then let the money show. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my brushes. So these are literally all my dirty, disgusting brushes that I need to wash. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick and easy way to do it. First thing I do is take some Dawn dish soap and I just pour some into a container full of hot water, and I just add a couple of drops of olive oil. The olive oil is gonna help condition the brush just so that it's not stiff and hard. So I swirl the brush into the mixture and then I just keep brushing it against the cleansing pad. So I got this cleansing pad at Five Below. It was in my last video, so make sure you guys check that out also. So I basically just keep rubbing it until the water comes out clear. So as you can see, the bristles on the brush are even becoming whiter. So that's a good sign. That's how you know it's working. So just keep repeating the same steps. And also, it's very important to wash your makeup brushes because over time your brushes collect a bunch of bacteria, germs, and it's just not good for your skin. Causes breakouts. So it's very important to clean your brushes. Also, your brushes perform better. Like, for example, if you have like some cheap makeup, I feel like you can make anything work if you have good tools and good brushes. So as long as your tools and your brushes are nice and clean, you can literally make anything work. Like, you can literally finesse anything, you feel me? And it's weird because it's like oddly satisfying just watching all the dirt and everything come out of your makeup brushes, because you would have never thought that that's how dirty your brushes really were. So imagine just layering this and layering this all on your skin. It's not good. So once you see that your mixture has become dirty, you're just gonna rinse the bowl out and add some hot water. And then we're gonna begin our mixture. So add some Dawn soap and then just the tiniest bit of olive oil to help condition the bristles. So if you don't have any Dawn soap, I also use baby shampoo sometimes and it works really good, surprisingly. Also, it's this big bar of soap called Zote and it's pink, and that works really well. So now I'm just filling this up with some hot water. I'm adding just literally a drop of olive oil, mixing it up, and then I'm gonna throw in all of my beauty blenders in there. To clean this, I literally just add some Dawn soap directly to the beauty blender and I just run it under the water.
So add the soap and run it under the water. Make sure you rub your fingers against it just to make sure that you get all the stains out and any, you know, leftover makeup that was absorbed into the sponge. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. This is just the final result of how clean my makeup brushes are now. So the brushes are white now, everything looks good. Beauty blenders are squeaky clean. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you guys comment, and I'll see y'all in my next video. And also remember to slay all day.
How you riding on the middle?